Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Dave from DLLM Cactus. Today just gonna do a little update. I did a little shade box in my backyard, like an 8x4, so about 30 square feet, just protecting the cactus and seedlings when it's hot out. We just hit 120 here a few days ago, broke the all-time record. So just gonna show you what's happening and then do a greenhouse update. See what we have in here. Hiding the San Pedro back here just so he can get a little break. Got that big Echinopsis chilling here, and a lot of the Myrtillos that I had, they're doing well. They're growing now. They're under this 50% shade cloth, but they get sun pretty much all day. And like I said, it's been 117 to 120 all week. But yeah, Tephro's growing a lot. Totem pole's growing. So just kind of hiding all the kind of taller like cuttings that I rooted, the Myrtillos. And then over to this side, have some different agave seedlings that I did, the Perryeyes. Had from my my Rainbow Burst here. Had little propagations, little that I took off, that's variegated, really cool. It's growing little babies, but they're doing really good in this corner. And it's been hot. The Obesa's doing okay. They're not, the hybrids, not growing too much, but they're holding firm. And these are the Principis, the Leuchtenbergia, agave cactus. Those I grew from seed. I put them out here, I wanna say right before it was 100 degrees, and they're doing great. I mean, no sweat through the 120 on any of them. Those are Trichoserious, just a little mixed batch that I got. Then on the far side here, to the left are saguaros. Got the Coreophantha maize tabulescens. So those are Coreophanthas doing good. Have some Copiapoa humilis, Longispinas, Pharaoh cactus. And then some different little cuttings and propagations that I was doing, like peanut cactus. Had some different like mammillaria, and those are Echinopsis Rainbow Burst there as well. Rainbow Burst, and then some trikes that I took little pups off and from some of my Trichoserious on the side of the house, and do those and just kind of rooting them up, maybe use them for grafting stock or whatnot. But everything holding tight in here. Got a Medusa, Euphorbia. Couple of the Myrtillos got burnt, so I'm just gonna see how they come through it. Might have to cut them back and use them for grafting, but didn't really lose anything. Everything handled the heat really, really well. So it just kind of gives me an idea that this is gonna work in the backyard with these, with this 30 square feet here. And I have a pretty big patio, so probably gonna look at doing like a 20 to 25 foot polytunnel for next summer. So yeah, another project to do, but just an update to let you know how the seedlings are handling the heat. Here in Vegas, supposed to be like 117 rest of the week, but I will do a update on the greenhouse. Had one loss on a cactus, kind of bummed about, but everything else is handling it really well. And I'll see you guys on the weekend. Peace.